Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the 4-step process to finding the quark composition of any meson. In A-level physics, there's only 2 different types of quark compositions you need to know. For a baryon, there'll be 3 quarks. For a meson, there'll be a quark and an antiquark. And that's your first of the 4 steps, finding out whether it's 3 quarks that you're interested in or a quark and an antiquark. In your equation sheet, you're going to be given a quark table, and for an antiquark, everything is the exact opposite. For example, for an anti-up quark, the charge will be negative 2 over 3e, the baryon number will be negative a third, and the strangeness, well, the opposite of 0, which is 0 itself. That's 3 questions you're going to ask yourself is, what's the charge of this particle that we're looking at? Well, it's a positive charge, so it's a charge of +1. What's the baryon number of this particle? Well, the baryon number of any meson is just 0, because only baryons have a baryon number of 1, and antibaryons have a baryon number of -1. The thing with A-level physics is you're not expected to know the strangeness of any particle. So if it doesn't specify the strangeness of any particle, you just always assume it's 0. This is where we need to problem solve and think, okay, what combination of quark and antiquark gives us these 3 variables that we're looking for? I can tell you now that it's going to be the up and anti-down quark. So let's walk through why. First of all, it's a quark and antiquark combination. The charge will be +1 because +2 over 3e, and then an anti-down quark would have a +1 over 3e. This would join to give you the +1 charge that we're looking for. Not only that, but an anti-down quark will have a number of 0 can be reached by adding these 2 together, which is an up and an anti-down quark. As well as this, the strangeness would be 0. This satisfies all the criteria of the 4 questions we asked ourselves at the start, and that's why this is the correct quark composition for this pi plus meson.